All right, you should have this top portion already filled out from the last slide. The main point that we need is this idea here, where this angle ABC is half the size of this arc over here. So if this angle was 30 degrees, my arc over here would be 60 degrees. And so the inscribed angle is half the measure of that arc. So we're going to skip these two spots right now and move down to these 4 questions right here, 1, 2, 4, and 5. And we're going to just practice. If we're given the arc and asked to find the angle, I'm going to divide by 2. 62 divided by 2 is 31 degrees. So that angle inside is 31 degrees. If we're given the angle and we're asked to find the arc, so we're given the angle and asked to find this arc, I'm going to have to multiply times 2 because this should be half the size of my arc. This arc should be double what my angle is. So 113 times 2 is 226 degrees. Same idea down here. We're given an angle and asked to find an arc, arc BC, but really we need to find this arc AC before we do anything else. So I'm given the angle, which means I need to take 47 times 2 to find this arc. So 47 times 2 is 94 degrees. So AC is 94 degrees, but it's asking for the measure of BC. Well, BC and AC, those two together make a whole half circle. So let's take 180 minus 94, and that'll give me my final answer of 86 degrees, being this angle right here. And the last one, it's asking for this angle inside. So we need to know what this arc is in order to find my angle. So let's start by, we have a whole circle and we have these two pieces. Let's go ahead and subtract from 360. 360 minus 65 minus 53. That'll give me that arc JML, which is 242 degrees. So my arc is 242. In order to find my angle, should I multiply by 2 or divide by 2? If I'm going from arc to angle, I'm going to get smaller. I'm going to do 242 divided by 2. And that's going to give me my final answer of angle JKL, which is 121 degrees. So if we're given the arc, we got to divide by 2 to get my angle. If we're given the angle, we got to multiply by 2 to get the arc.